Hi, I'm Noelle Martin. I'm a registered dietitian and mom of 3 young boys. You can find me on Instagram at Motherhood and Meals, and today I'm very excited to partner with Nature Fresh to bring you a quick and easy recipe that you can make for upcoming Valentine's Day meal. It's great for Valentine's Day because it has a pop of red, but the reality is you can make it all year long. It has 4 ingredients, and I'm going to walk you through the preparation now. So first, we're going to start with red onions. I've pre-chopped some here, and we're going to add them into the bowl. Next, we're going to add in hearts of palm. You can chop these in any size that you like. I like to do them in about a 1/2 inch portion. And as you put them in the bowl, you can see that you can break them apart even more. The last ingredient that we're going to add is tomatoes. You could do large tomatoes, you can do cocktail tomatoes, you can do small tomatoes, whatever you choose. You basically want to cut them into similar sizes that you've done for the red onion and the hearts of palm. Okay, and then we're going to add a Caesar salad dressing. You could make your own if you like to. I like to sometimes make my own, and sometimes I like the quick and easy option of buying a refrigerated one. When you choose refrigerated salad dressings instead of shelf-based salad dressings, you know that you have fewer preservatives in there. So it's a nice kind of happy medium. So we're just gonna drizzle that on there and then mix it up. And you have the most delicious salad to serve. You could serve it as a side with steak or chicken or salmon or pork tenderloin. You can put it on a bed of greens. It really is full of flavor, full of nutrition from the lycopene and vitamin C that we find in the tomatoes, and just adds such a lovely pop of color on the plate. I hope you enjoy it.